Dreams. It's not what you see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. By Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Hello, student. Today we are continuing with problem sums related to age. So, let us start. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. In this problem, present age of Aman's son is not provided, so that we assume X. Aman's present age is 3 times to his son, so age of Aman at present is 3x. 10 years back, age of Aman was, of course, 10 years less than the present age, so 3x minus 10. Similarly, Aman's son 10 years ago age would be x minus 10. Comparing Aman's age 10 years back with his son's age 10 years back, Aman was 5 times older than his son. So, final equation is 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into bracket x minus 10. Now let us solve it. Now final equation is 3x minus 10, that is age of Aman 10 year back, is equal to 5 into x minus 10, that is equal to the 5 times of the age of his son. So 3x minus 10 equal to, now resolve the bracket, 5 into x, 5x minus 10 5s are 50. Keep all the x term at one side, constant at another side. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 50 minus 10. So 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 divided by 2, that is 20. Age of Aman's son and present age of Aman, that is 3x, equal to 3 into 20 equal to 60 years. The ages of Hari and Harry are in ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Let the present age of Hari is 5x and present age of Harry is 7x. So 4 years from now, Hari's age will increase by 4. So that is 5x plus 4, and Harry's age also increased by 4, that is 7x plus 4. So the ratio of Hari's age to Harry's age 4 years from now will be 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Now let us solve it. So 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 equal to 3 by 4. Do cross multiplication. 4 will multiply with 5x plus 4 equal to 3 multiply with 7x plus 4. Now resolve the bracket. 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 equal to 7 3s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. Like them together. 21x, if 20 another side, that will minus 20x is equal to 16 minus 12. So value of x is 4. Now plug in the value of x into 5x, that is age of Hari. So that is 5 into 4, 20, and into 7x. So you get 7 into 4, 28. That is age of Harry.